This video teaches you how to install this cell phone signal booster. This shows how every part connects together, indicating which components are interconnected. First, install the outdoor antenna. You need to fix the outdoor antenna on a pole and install it on the roof or high up, facing the signal base station to ensure that there is no obstruction. Then connect it to the outdoor cable. Then connect the outdoor cable to the window line. And then connect the second cable. The window line can save you from drilling holes in the wall or cables being damaged by doors and windows. The second step is to install the host. You can choose to drill holes in the wall and hang the host on the wall. You can also put it directly on the table. This is a Bluetooth antenna to help you connect to the mobile app faster. Then connect the outdoor cable and indoor cable to the host and plug in the power supply. Finally, install the indoor antenna. Hang the indoor antenna on the wall, and then connect it to the indoor cable. After everything is completed and powered on, you can view the data and adjust the outdoor antenna through the mobile app to find the best position to get the best signal. Note: the horizontal distance between the outdoor antenna and the indoor antenna must be at least 30 feet, and it is best to face away from each other.